Hello friends and family, welcome to Owisu's kitchen. It's always a pleasure to have you here. In today's video, we are making this easy but tasty one-pot chicken and egg fried rice, which is so handy when you are pressed for time. So come on in, let's get cooking. As per the description on the screen, we will add all these seasonings onto the chicken, and you will notice I used a bit more onion than the rest because onions simply makes everything taste better. And if you have time on your hand, you might want to leave it for about 20 minutes for it to set before you proceed. I'll go ahead and rub the chicken onto the seasoning very well. However, today had been a very hectic day. I had no time whatsoever to wait for this chicken. So I'll just go in straight away onto the oil, onto the hot oil, and I'm going to brown both sides for about 4 minutes. You know what? It still came out very well, although I did not leave this for 20 minutes. So it doesn't matter if you don't have time to do this. It will still be nice. Okay, so it's been about 4 minutes, so I'll just flip them over and then let the other side to brown as well. And as you can imagine, the chicken is only partially cooked until we attend to it later on. Once these are done, I'll go ahead and remove everything from the oil. Then I will strain it, and then I will leave about 1/3 of the oil to start cooking with. The oil is hot, and the good thing is it has been flavored with the chicken and all the seasoning, and so it is perfect for us to fry our onions in. The onions are now nice and soft, so I'll go ahead with my green chilies, okay, together with red and green bell peppers. And these, my darling, are the first batch of vegetables to go in. You know how bell peppers makes everything so delicious? When you start with it, it softens up and it will melt into the rice, adding its juice and flavor onto it. So here I've added fresh ginger, mixed herbs and chicken seasoning onto the vegetables, and I'm stirring it up. It smells amazing, my dear. Somebody please get me 3 eggs. Yes, they are here. So I'll crack them onto the vegetables and scramble it up, and then I'll mix everything together. And please like this video and subscribe, because I would love to cook with you again. At this stage, I've already washed up my rice and I'm using jasmine rice. Yes, I am team jasmine. I love jasmine rice. And oh dear, I almost forgot about the bay leaves. I normally start frying the bay leaves with the vegetables, but it's better late than never. So I've just gone ahead to add it at this stage together with the rice. And so I'll mix everything well. See, this is beautiful, my darling. Mix everything in very well, you know, to fry this at this stage. This is where we get to fry the rice, the fried rice bit. This is where it all happens. It is now time to add some water, enough water to loosen up the rice completely, leaving a bit more on top. Okay, again, it depends on the kind of rice that you are using. With jasmine, it doesn't do well with too much water, so this is perfect for me. So I've just tasted for salt and I needed to put in a bit more. And now, my friends, this is when we bring back the chicken that we fried earlier on to finish up cooking. Okay, it will sit on the bed of rice and release its juice and flavor. And once I lift this chicken up, you would be amazed at how much flavor and stock they've left behind the rice. Let's go and check on the rice. It is doing amazing. So I'll quickly flip up the exposed part of the rice, leaving where the chicken are sitting because the rice will cook perfectly underneath. And once that is done, I'm going to cover it with foil and let the steam continue to cook the rice and the chicken. And when we come back, it would be ready for us to add the vegetables that we set aside. Okay, so my darling, this is how the rice looks like. It looks absolutely delicious, and this is what I meant by it will leave some stock and flavor behind. So I remove all the chicken for a while whilst I add the remaining vegetables, which are spring onion, carrots and red peppers, and I'll stir everything together. Okay, our fried rice is looking beautiful. It smells amazing and the taste is so good. And since this is one pot, we would have to bring back the chicken to sit where it belongs. And don't just take my words for it. There is only one way to find out. Do make some and discover it yourself. But try not to be addicted to it like I am. Thank you so much for stopping by again, for watching, liking and subscribing. Until I see you in my next video, stay blessed and take care. Bye bye.